zooming in. Uh-oh, what's that say? Change the battery. Oh. Hey, your thing said change. Your thing said change the battery pack. I don't know. As I was reading it, that's when he did that.
Oh.
I know that's not funny, but I kind of missed that part, so I want to rewind.
Still laughing?
Do horses trip? Tell him to knock it off. Now I'm crying. I don't know, because I was scared for a second. Because I looked up and you're like on the ground. Oh. Should you like get off?